Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a watercolor ice dye. These over-the-sink colanders work really great for this type of project. I got them off of Amazon, and I do have a link for them down below in the description box, and I highly recommend them. You can adjust the arms so they can fit on many different size containers. So I love them and I use them all the time. So when you're scrunching your shirt inside of the colander, you want to do a very loose, light scrunch. Tall peaks, low valleys. For this particular project, I'm doing the dye under ice technique, and I'm also just doing one color, strong navy. It has some gorgeous splits, so stick around till the end. Another navy that I really like the splits is Deep Space. It has a lot of purples in it. It's really also very beautiful. These watercolor colander projects are super quick and easy to make. I make them all the time. So I didn't put any soda ash on this project because the shirt had already soaked in soda ash, so it really didn't need it, and I'm only going to do a single layer of ice. Then you just want to set this off to the side and let it batch for 24 hours after the ice is melted. It's been 24 hours and now it's time for the rinse out. So you want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fibers, and gradually increase the water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol, and then I do a third hot water cycle using Millsoft. And Millsoft I get from Dharma, and it's a softener that makes the fabric feel nice after the dyeing process. Then I put it in the dryer, and we'll come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our tank top after it's been washed and dried. And isn't it beautiful? I just love the way these turn out. So by using one color, you really get to see what navy blue can do. There's some dark tones of the navy blue, and then there's some dark purple tones, and then there's some light, more lavender type tones. There's a little bit of gray, a little bit of light blue. I just absolutely love ice dyeing, and especially this particular technique. So what do you guys think of this tank top? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a thumbs up and click the bell and set it to all for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.